Hi, I'm Wesley Frese, Aviation Engineering graduate intern researching for disruptive technologies that can possibly be implemented within airframe maintenance in the future. Disruptive technologies are classified as technologies that will transform life, businesses and the global economy. Disruptive technologies may not fit in current industries and have the possibility to have a severe adverse effect on current industry, pushing industries into change to remain relevant. But what are these technologies and what are their impact and use cases? The McKinsey Global Institute has classified 12 potential disruptive technologies for 2025. Sorted from highest potential economic impact to lowest, these are 1. Mobile Internet. With over 3.7 billion worldwide mobile internet users in 2017, this technology has disruptively changed the way we work and live. Increasingly capable and inexpensive mobile devices like tablets, smartphones and wearables, tied together with apps that enable users to have unlimited access to knowledge and possibilities, this technology can drive applications that can increase and help workforce productivity. 2. Automation of knowledge work. With over 2 billion smartphone users having access to a virtual assistant, this technology has the potential to automate certain knowledge work tasks using machine learning, artificial intelligence, and natural user interfaces, enabling users to get information and knowledge on their own by asking normal, unstructured questions to a computer, possibly fully automating certain knowledge worker jobs. 3. The Internet of Things. With over 1 trillion things that can be connected to the internet using Internet of Things, this technology has the potential to change the way businesses manage assets, optimize business performance, and create new business models. The technology characterizes itself by attaching low-cost sensors or RFID tags to a physical object to connect it to the internet, enabling real-time data collection, localization, monitoring, and decision-making. 4. Cloud technology. With monthly server running costs being, on average, 3 times higher when owning a server versus renting in the cloud, this technology has the potential to provide better IT responsiveness, flexibility and economics for businesses, providing computation power, software and storage on an as-needed basis, reducing upfront investments in programming or in new hardware. 5. Advanced Robotics. With over 12% of the global workforce being manufacturing workers, this technology has the potential to replace these workers and current bolted to the floor fenced-off industrial robots that mainly do dangerous work. New advanced robots have a level of intelligence, can interact, skills, and enhance senses, enabling them to work safely alongside human workers, possibly making it more practical to use a robot over a human in labor-intensive tasks such as inspections, maintenance, and cleaning, or help the human workers with exoskeletons. 6. Autonomous and near-autonomous vehicles. With over 6.5 million kilometers driven by Google's former autonomous car project as of 2017, this technology has the potential to change the way we travel, deliver packages, perform inspections and logistics, enabling these applications to be carried out autonomously by drones and other autonomous vehicles. 7. Next generation genomics. While this technology may not be relevant to the MRO industry, with over 26 million annual deaths of cancer or other sicknesses worldwide, this technology has the potential to treat those sicknesses, create new medicine, change agriculture, improve drug discovery, and create new biofuels. 8. Energy storage. While this technology may also not be relevant to the MRO industry, with current advancements in energy storage solutions like lithium-ion batteries powering billions of devices, this technology can increase mobile battery performance and help the power grid adapt more solar and wind power. 9. 3D printing. With additive manufacturing revenue increasing by 4 times from 2003 to 2013, this technology can shorten the design process, bring ideas directly to a finished product, and create complex objects that were not possibly using traditional manufacturing steps. Lastly, this technology can eliminate the need of stocking and wasting spare parts and make them when needed, even parts that aren't manufactured anymore. 10. Advanced materials. With advanced materials like carbon nanotubes for instance, having a 115 times higher strength-to-weight ratio versus steel, this technology has the potential to create materials with new attributes, from self-healing, self-cleaning materials and materials that can revert back to its original shape when deformed, to nanomaterials that can give materials new properties like a more aerodynamic surface, unusual electrical properties, and extremely light, strong materials. 11. Advanced oil and gas exploration and recovery. While this technology may also be irrelevant to the MRO industry, with current oil and gas reserves depleting, this technology has the potential to extract oil and gas from reserves that are currently not economically feasible using conventional drilling methods, increasing the availability of fossil fuels for decades to come and boosting energy-intensive industries. And lastly, 12. Renewable energy. While this technology may also not be relevant to the MRO industry, with solar and wind generation capacity growing 19 times from 2000 to 2013, this technology has the potential to eliminate the dependence on fossil fuels for energy generation, solving the current climate change problems and enabling unlimited, clean, and free energy generation in the future. And together with all these technologies, this is what the future may have in store for us. Correction. What the near future may have in store for us.